What you got there, Zima? Oh. A sandwich? Yeah, we gave her a bite of a sandwich and she decided that she needed to bury it for the last 5 minutes with her nose. But then she keeps on burying in it. Oh my God. After all that, she decided to eat it.
She get it off?
Oh yeah.